Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ifan Huda binti Halim. My number metric is S74547.
And I, Nora Ain Hazira binti Ahmad Rozi, number matric S75453.
In this occasion, we would like to present about solid waste management. What is solid waste management? Okay, solid waste management refer to the systematic process of collecting, transporting, processing, recycling, disposing of or managing solid waste generated by humans, whether from residential, business, or industrial activity. Why a solid waste management plan created? A solid waste management plan is created to promote resource reuse and waste management taught a circular economy approach. For example, material and product are designed to be reused, repaired, and recycled. Next, there are three strategies for solid waste collection. The first is a local waste collection center. For example, community centers set up waste collection center in neighborhood to facilitate the delivery of recyclable material by residents. Second strategy is monitoring and evaluation. For example, waste audit should conduct periodic audit to identify the type and quantity of waste generated in an area. Lastly, the solid waste collection strategy is to create the use of the iCollect system as done by MBSP. This system can facilitate disposal of solid waste at business premise. For example, providing door-to-door solid waste collection service with appropriate payment rates.
Solid waste management process flow. The first process is generation. This stage is solid waste generated by users such as residential homes, business centers, factories, and so on. Next is storage, a place where solid waste is stored, such as a mobile garbage bin or a rural bin before being collected according to a set schedule. Transportation is the process of transporting solid waste from a storage location to a treatment or disposal location. Treatment is a process that treats waste for chemical stabilization, volume or size reduction such as composting, and aerobic digesters and incinerators. Finally, disposal is the final place where solid waste is sent for disposal purpose such as in a sanitary landfill. Next is solid waste management education to the community. Conduct public education and awareness programs. Talks about solid waste management can be held at all levels of the community, school, and universities. In addition, volunteer and community involvement programs such as Gotong Royong can be held. This program can be held periodically so that residential areas and public places always clean. Finally, the role of local governments is to provide infrastructure facilities such as providing recycling bins and collection centers in public areas. Last but not least is plans to promote sustainability and environment compliance. First and foremost is compliance and enforcement. Establish a strict monitoring system such as environmental audits and fines for violations of the law, for example, penalties for companies that dump toxic waste into rivers. Second is awareness campaign. Implement campaign such as Go Green through social media, television, and posters. Also can provide community workshops on waste reduction, use of renewable energy, and biodiversity conservation. To conclude, The health of our environment is crucial for the well-being of all life on Earth. Every small action, from reducing waste to supporting sustainability, can make a difference. Let's take responsibility and work together to create a cleaner, greener, and more sustainable future for generations to come. That's all. Thank you from us, and we hope we all can contribute to positive environment change.